Let's decode the mystery. Where is State Farm decayed to, and why is the answer so elusive? Step 1. We need to understand what State Farm decayed to is. Even asking it's a vague question, lacking specific context. The decayed to part likely refers to the year 2022. Is this about a series of events from that year, or specific locations? Step 2. Let's consider the possibilities. Is the question about physical locations like State Farm offices or a specific promotional event in 2022? Or did State Farm participate in a specific event that year, maybe a sports sponsorship? Step 3. Context is key. We need to understand where this question originated. Was it from a social media post, a conversation, or a news article? The source may provide clues. Did the person originally mentioning it refer to a specific location, or were they talking about something else entirely? Step 4. Time to research. Use search engines and social media to look for instances. Search for State Farm 2022 and filter your results. If possible, look through any images or hashtags from potential locations and events. This search helps you gather clues. Step 5. Look for official State Farm announcements from 2020 to check their website and social media to see what events they have hosted or sponsored. This could offer an answer to this question. The answer to the question, where is State Farm decayed to, depends heavily on the context. By analyzing the question, researching the specifics, and investigating potential locations and events, we have a better chance of figuring out where the question originally came from. Happy researching.